Are you struggling to get views, subscribers, or you just feel like you're stuck on this YouTube? Like you try, you're not getting views, you're not getting the subscribers, you're not growing, you've not gone viral. You're not alone. What if I told you that the difference between this your low views, low subscribers, and going viral comes down to these 8 free apps that I'm going to be showing you? Like these are important apps that every YouTuber need. These are the apps that I have been using that have been helping my videos get this kind of views you're seeing on the screen. Yes, I'm giving you from my own real life experience. These apps are really good. These 8 free apps I'm about to show you, in fact, they are the apps that will make the difference between that your low views, your low subscribers, and going viral. These are the exact tools, the exact apps that most of these big creators use to edit faster, rank higher, and blow in this 2025. Without giving you long story, let's just jump into the apps. App number 1 is, in fact, calm down. Let's not rush. You see these apps, there are 8. There are a lot of apps here, but I just brought out the most important ones. Now, app number 5 is app number 5. If you don't have it, I don't even know what you are doing on this YouTube. Yeah, in fact, all these apps I'm going to mention, they are really important. So stay tuned. Subscribe to this channel if you've not. What are you waiting for? Come on, subscribe. Yes, and whether you're new to YouTube or you're an OG on this YouTube platform, see these apps that I'm about to show you. They are things that have been helping a lot of YouTubers. After making my research, I discovered if you don't have them, what are you waiting for? So keep watching this video, subscribe if you've not, and let me show you the apps. App number 1 is the YouTube Studio. Yes, YouTube Studio is your command center. If you don't have that app, then what are you even doing on YouTube? YouTube Studio is like the number 1 app after the YouTube main app. Yeah, because you're wanting to start YouTube, right? Or you're already on YouTube. You have the YouTube app, and now you're thinking that's all there is to it. No, you need the YouTube Studio. This is what it looks like on the screen. This YouTube Studio is the heart of your channel. That's what will give you the real-time analytics, you see, to track your growth. It helps you understand how YouTube work, how your audience work, like things they like, things that will help you grow on this platform. Yes, believe me, if you don't have YouTube app, just go and download it now and start getting familiar with how to use it. With that YouTube app, Studio app, you will even be able to have ideas. Some of you are thinking, oh, which title do I do? The thing, you see, the secret strategy on this YouTube is give your audience what they want. You cannot just come from nowhere, create one random topic because you feel that topic is interesting and it's something you just want to share. No, that's not what your audience wants. No matter the niche you are, that's not what your audience wants. You'll be wasting your time. You will not get the views. You understand? So you see that YouTube Studio app, it will give you trending ideas for your niche. It will tell you your reach, whether YouTube is pushing your video, whether YouTube is recommending your video. It will tell you the impression click-through rate, just like you can see on the screen. And where this YouTube Studio app comes into place after you have uploaded a video. Yes, some of you will be wondering, like, especially those that are new on this YouTube platform. For those that are OGs, you already know your audience. You understand, you know them very well, so you're not really bothered. You can forget about this YouTube app. But if you think, oh, I'm still yet to understand what my audience wants, then go and download this YouTube Studio app here, because at least you will even know who your audience are, where they are watching you from, which country they're watching you from, what time of the day they are mostly online, so that you can even know the best time to post on YouTube. If you've not seen that video where I talked about the best time to upload on YouTube, this YouTube Studio app, that's where you will find it. Check that video out on the screen. That's where I talked about how to check the best time to upload video on YouTube. So you see this YouTube Studio app, it has a lot of benefits, but because I don't want to drag this video or make this video too long, I'll be going to app number 2, which is InShot or CapCut. Now, these are video editing apps. They are phone friendly. You don't even need laptop to be able to use these apps. Some people have been asking me in my previous video in the comment section, oh, how do you add the subscribe on your screen? How do you add this? How do you add that? You need a video editing app. You don't just make a video and pop it on YouTube without even editing it. Come on. Now, if you want to learn how to edit, start by downloading out the simplest one, which is my secret though. I'm sharing. Download InShot. InShot is very simple. Like, for me, when I started YouTube, I didn't know anything about video editing. Yes, I knew nothing about video editing. So I started with InShot. Yes, that's how I learned how to edit. So if you want me to make a video, a well detailed video on how to edit with that InShot, let me know in the comment section. Okay, I can do that for you. But you see this InShot, it has a lot of beneficial editing things there. Like, I don't want to start going into details, you know. I'll just give you the basics. It's left for you to go and do your research. Yes, it's left for you. Now, InShot is very easy. If you are already a pro, then go for CapCut. CapCut, it was after I started learning these YouTube things, I said, okay, let's see what this CapCut is all about. I was like, thank God I didn't even start with CapCut, because if I had started with CapCut, maybe I would have given up. So it depends on the stage or the level of editing you are. Then I would recommend InShot, because that's what I've been using. These apps are free and they have the pro version, but you don't even need to stress yourself. Like, I always tell people this, I tell my students, don't stress yourself with going to pay for something. Calm down, calm down. Use that free version, learn. Then from there, if you want to now start upgrading, that's totally up to you. Okay, but you're thinking of how to add those like this one on the screen, subscribe. You can find it on InShot. If you're thinking of how to get captions for your, because these are questions I've been getting. If you're watching this video, you've asked this question, InShot is where you can get it. You can also get it on CapCut. Okay, you want your video to also look brighter, you can get it there. You can adjust the effects of your video using this video editing app. Now, app number 3 is Canva. Canva, I always mention this app time without number. In fact, I've said this before. You're wondering why your views low, right? 90% of your views come from your title and your thumbnail. If you've not seen this video on how to design a thumbnail, that is it up there on the screen. Check it out, because I explained in details. You know, like I said, here I'm just giving you the basics. Then if you want me to go into details, I have some videos which you can see there on the screen. You can check my channel, go watch them. You want that thumbnail to catch people attention, to make them say, what is, I need to watch this video. Use Canva. Canva is very, very good. It's easy to also navigate. That's the beauty of it. It's also free. They have some of these apps have pro version, but for me, I always use those free ones. Then I'm not earning on YouTube. I'm like, why will I start spending money? I don't know. But for those of you that, you just want to start spending money. If you've got the money, spend it. Yes. But for me, I always start at least with the free version. So Canva has a lot. In fact, when you're just scrolling on that app, you'll be seeing a lot of things. It will help you, give you, go and watch that video. Yes, it will help you with your thumbnail. Okay. Now, app number 4 is VidIQ. Yes, you know, I always mention VidIQ. I don't know if you guys pronounce it as VidIQ. Yes, I call it VidIQ. Whichever one, that's it there on the screen. So you can either use VidIQ or TubeBuddy. Yes, TubeBuddy. For me, I use VidIQ. Okay, I'm thinking of trying that TubeBuddy, because some people have said a lot of good things. People I know about the TubeBuddy as well. But what are these apps? Yeah, they are SEO optimizing apps. Have you heard of SEO before? So this VidIQ, let me talk more about VidIQ, because that's one I know about. That's one I've been using. It will help you rank #1 for search. It will help you with the tags, the right tags to use for your video. Sometimes it's very hard to determine what title is best to use. You see, this VidIQ is very good. Even the free version, because I told you some of these apps have free and paid version, right? Just the free version alone, it will tell you, oh, this title, rephrase it like this, and you'll be surprised. That's what your viewers really want to see. You understand? Some of us, we are not that good in English, you know, curating title and all of that. Try using VidIQ and thank me later. Now, I always mention this in my videos. You need to optimize your title. Sometimes if you even use a particular title, you see that, oh, this title is not working, it's not giving you views. You go there, go to that your VidIQ, change the title. It will optimize it for you, give you another option. Yes, and it works. It works. You just see your video start blowing. And then it also helps you with your description. It helps you with keyword. Keyword is that one is where that's what I use for my own keywords. You see, that keyword is important. You don't just come on this YouTube platform, put any title you want, put any description, put any tag. No, that's not how it works. You see, this YouTube, we learn every day. And for me, I'm still learning. I will not tell you I'm a pro yet. I'm still learning. But see this VidIQ, that's all I'll say about it. Go experiment and let me know. in the comment section after you've done that. App number 5 is my personal content strategist. It's called ChatGPT. I was so grateful the day I found out about this ChatGPT. Like, I'm sure you guys must have, if ChatGPT is ready, you must have heard of it. It will help you with title. If you don't want to bother yourself about VidIQ, just go to ChatGPT. Please, this is the idea I have. Give me title. ChatGPT will give you. If you get the title, you now say, what kind of description will I use? ChatGPT will give you. If you are wondering again, what do I want to say on this video? Which script will I use? ChatGPT will give you. Hey, that's what I was saying. For those that have watched the video up until this point, you are lucky, you are favored. Yes, because I'm giving you the spicing. I'm giving you the icing. So yes, ChatGPT is important. It's very, very helpful. Download it, try it, thank me later. App number 6 is it's like an app. I don't know if it's downloadable, but for me, I just go to my Google, type Remove.bg. That's it on the screen. Remove.bg. Just as the name implies, it will help you remove the background on your picture. Let's say you want to create thumbnail, right? Like even this thumbnail, I used it. If you snap your picture and you don't want the background to show, go to Remove.bg. Some of these apps, I was so happy. Thanks to those that told me about these apps. You're darling. So it's very simple. Just put that picture there, and then it will ask you, it will prompt you, tell you what you need to do. Once you snap your picture, just put snap, put that picture, upload it there, tell it to remove the background. It will give you clear this thing. It will remove that background. Then you can now use those your editing apps like the InShot to create your thumbnail or the Canva. You know, I'm just giving you guys icing. Let this video not be too long, okay? App number 7 is Gmail. Yes, let's say for you to even open YouTube account or still open YouTube in the first place, you use an email address, right? And you need the Gmail app. That's where you'll be getting all the updates. Some people don't bother checking their mail, especially, should I call names? You know yourselves. Make it a habit. That's where you'll be getting updates. Check especially that YouTube channel email. Always check it. If you're monetized, that's even where you'll be getting sponsorship deals. Come on. And then if you're not even monetized, you'll be getting updates, you'll be getting ideas. Always check your Gmail. That's what I will tell you is very, very important. And lastly, last but not the least, is YouTube app itself. Like I said, you cannot just be on YouTube to be there posting video, or you need to also be there, watch videos, because the more you're watching a particular kind of niche, YouTube will be recommending more of those kind of videos, and you'll be getting ideas on the kind of videos that you can make. You understand? I hope this video was helpful to someone. Let me know, beat around the bush. Let me not make it too long. But if you found value from this video, like the video. Yes, like it. Subscribe if you've not, and I'll see you in my next one. Yeah, you can also consider joining my membership, because I give membership pro benefits. Thank you for watching. Wait. Before we end this video, you see these videos popping up on the screen? Check them out. They will really help you. Check them out. Or you can just go straight to my channel and be scrolling, see which video will benefit you, and watch them. Yes, because in this channel, I tell you how to grow on YouTube. I give you YouTube growth tips. I tell you things about YouTube SEO, how to get views, how to get subscribers. Come on. See you in my next one.